So a few weeks ago, I dyed my hair split dye. It was at the beginning of September in support of National Suicide Awareness Month, and their colors are purple and teal. It is a bit faded now, as you can see, but this side was very teal and this side was very purple. And I did record it at the time of doing it, but I don't know how to make videos yet, so that's why I'm recording this a couple weeks after. But yeah, I figured everyone is split dyeing their hair, and it's a really cool, fun and easy thing that you can do yourself at home. So I figured that I could record it and kind of walk you guys through my process of how to split dye your hair. I did mess up a few times in the videos, so I will point out just some areas that I could have improved that can hopefully help you guys not make the same mistakes. And definitely the most important thing, I think, to any hair coloring process, anytime you want to get a nice even color, the most important thing is having an even lightening on your hair. So definitely if you want to know how to lighten your hair, I actually did make a video on that. I can get up above. But yeah, that's definitely the most important thing, is to start with a very nice even light hair. If you don't have bleached hair already, you think, oh, I'm blonde, I can put a color over it, you can, but I almost always recommend still lightening your hair anyways, even if it's just a really quick process, because hair dye does not like to stick to unbleached hair. The hair is just, it's holding on to its own color particles, so it doesn't want to hold on to any others, so it'll rinse out and it'll rinse out patchy. That's just from my experience though, so I don't know, but I would definitely recommend lightening your hair first. So yeah, this is how I split dye my hair. Alright. So I started recording a little bit after I had started putting the purple on, so sorry about that. The purple that I am using is Pulp Riot colors, so you have to have a license to get those colors. I'm a cosmetology student, so that's why I have access to those. I did Pulp Riot Jam and Velvet and Blue Muse all mixed together with conditioner. If you want to achieve this color on your own, I would recommend the unicorn hair color in Pony by Lime Crime. I think that's a very similar color to this one, and it lasts really well. Something I could have done differently is you should always start with your lighter color. So I should have started with teal first, since that would be the lighter of these two. It's good to start with the lighter color because once your hair grips on to that teal or that lighter shade, it absorbs that color, and since it's saturated with that, it's harder for it to hold on to any other color that you might get on it, like the darker color. If you accidentally get some on the wrong side, it's less likely to absorb that color, so you're less likely to have the wrong color on the wrong side. I do that in a bit just because I was very hasty with this process. I just really wanted to dye my hair kind of sporadically. Like I said, I mixed my hair color with conditioner. If you want a very, very bright, bold, vibrant color, or if you want your hair color to last long, you should not mix it with conditioner. The reason I do this is because I know that I'm going to be changing up my hair color pretty soon, and so I don't want it to last forever. But if you want to dye your hair purple forever, you just want it to stay purple, definitely don't add in any conditioners. It's just going to make the hair dye diluted, and so the hair isn't going to have as much pigment to absorb because you diluted it. And then after you fully saturate your hair, I did not have access to gloves because where I am, they're all sold out still. But if you do have gloves, definitely use one set of gloves for the purple side and one set of gloves for the teal side, just to reduce any way you could potentially transfer hair color to the wrong side. After I'm finished with the purple side, I'm going to go wash my hands, put the purple side up, and then start on the teal side. For the teal side, I am using, again, Pulp Riot in Decoy and Blue Muse, and that is mixed in again with conditioner. If you want to achieve this color just with normal non-professional dye, I would recommend either Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in Anime or Manic Panic in Atomic Turquoise. Both of those are really, really pretty teal colors. It won't make as light of a shade of mine, again, because I mixed mine with conditioner, but if you want a really good turquoise, those are the two that I can recommend. You just want to go in and fully saturate this side as well. And then something that I do when I want my color to last, which isn't right now, but say you want your color to last, is you can, with these types of dyes, with semi-permanent conditioning based dyes, you can definitely go in and just put like a plastic bag over your head or like a shower cap and leave it on for like 2 or 3 hours. I used to just sleep with it in my hair. Maybe don't do that with split dye because the colors might mix, but if you're just doing one color all over your head, you can sleep with this color in and rinse it out in the morning, just to make sure it's like fully absorbed into your hair. And then another tip is if you blow dry your hair while it has the color still in it, so put the color on, you just go grab your blow dryer and apply heat to the hair just for like 5 minutes. That will help the hair absorb the color better as well. But keep in mind that will also make it harder to take out when you do want to change it. When I rinse it, always rinse your hair in cold water, and with split dye, rinse one half and then rinse the other half. So don't rinse them together. Definitely make sure to use sulfate-free shampoo. Using a shampoo that is safe for colored hair or without sulfates. Alright, so that is how I split dyed my hair. As you can see, it faded out to very pastel. I like it. I think it's pretty. I'm going to be color removing it soon because I have actually a laser tag tournament coming up. And so if you guys want to see that, I'm going to be using UV reflective hair dye, and it is going to glow under the black light, so that's going to be really cool. I'm going to be doing a rainbow look. I'm going to be posting that soon. If you guys have any questions, I can answer them in the comments. So that's all. I hope I was able to help someone, and have a nice day. Bye!